Bring your TV from high level to eye level without getting off your couch.
Hi, my name's Brian Glass. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for MantelMount. ModelForge has helped us through COVID and through all of the tariff changes. It's basically a system that replaces guesswork in spreadsheets with real answers in real time. Before ModelForge, our company downloaded spreadsheets from multiple platforms, from QuickBooks to Shopify. We spent a lot of people's times and a lot of days just understanding our most recent month. The planning workload for us now is radically different. We're getting the information in real time, and we're able to focus our efforts not on processing data, but on finding new ways to grow our business. Not monitor the business, but grow the business. Tariffs presented a whole new set of challenges. What ModelForge allowed us to do was to evaluate all the way down from what division, what sales channel, all the way down to a SKU level. And we could adjust a single cost, and we could see the impact on our bottom line and understand it. From there, we could test scenarios. So we could discuss strategies. Well, should we raise our prices? What's the fiscal impact of that? And if you were working in the way that we were prior to ModelForge, it's just not fast enough and it's not dynamic enough. And you can't have a conversation with all the stakeholders of the company there and somebody ask a question, well, what if we raise our prices 10%? We can do that real-time situation in a meeting, on the fly, get those numbers in front of everybody, and we can understand what the fiscal impact of that is. When people talk about bringing AI into their company, the first thought is that we don't need as many people handling all of these processes, but the reality is that's kind of short-sighted. The true power in using something like this is it allows us to reallocate our resources and our staff members into more natural intelligence roles. What does that mean? That means that all of our platforms, all of our data is linked to a single hub now that we can all rely on. What it allows us to do is be creative. You can reduce the need for a lot of data processing, but it's exciting because you can take those resources and put them into something that's going to help you grow. A lot of the AI companies that we reached out to, they didn't readily have the platform and the features that we needed. It seemed more of a conversation of, what's your budget for AI? What do you need it to do? And we quickly learned that a lot of these companies that we reached out to didn't have that solution, and they were more of a third party that then would go to look to source people that could engineer the solution. ModelForge is ready to go with the features that we need to, that plugs into commonly used platforms for our size business. Amazon, Shopify, QuickBooks. It's ready to go on all those levels. That's the biggest difference. We bring ModelForge into every board meeting to answer some pretty tough questions on the fly. We can work with it to understand our sales forecast as things change, but it also helps us because we're not over inventoried, we're not under inventoried, we're reducing our fulfillment costs, we're reducing our storage costs, and we're getting them in line fiscally with where they need to be. My advice for anybody considering whether they want to use AI for their inventory management is go do it now. The sooner you do it, the sooner you're going to reduce costs, the sooner you're going to be able to focus on growth. You're going to be able to focus on other things that the company needs to be focused on. Get going on it already. Do it now.